recipe, I have corn. I call it my special corn. It's sweet, it's thick, it's like a pudding, but it's special. I have butter, black pepper, and salt, and I have stirred it just like this. Blend it all together, and I'm gonna let it cook for a second or two, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it comes back. Okay? After it cooked, and get all the seasoning into it just like that, then I add a can. Now this is whole grain corn in the can. What I add is a can of cream corn, just like that, just like that, and I stir it up just like this. Blend it together, blend it like this. My special corn, y'all. Blend it just like this, and come up to another ball, and I'll show you what I do next. I add 2 big spoons of sugar, and I blend it together, just like this. Blend it and let it cook. Again, with the sugar blended in, till it is all incorporated, just like that. Let it cook for a second or two. After it cooks like this, then I add some cornstarch. Add the cornstarch in just like that, so it can get thickened. Just like this. Let the cornstarch fall into that like that, y'all. And stir it. Excuse the heat, y'all, because it's cooking up in here, y'all. Be right back. Okay, our corn is ready. And look at that. This is what I call a special corn. It's sweet. It's like a pudding. It's buttery, and it is delicious. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. And after this presentation, I'll show you how to make this wonderful, wonderful corn. It is beautiful, y'all. It tastes wonderful, and you will love it. Look at that. That is what I call a special corn.